Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I got a 2018 cbr300r. I also have a 2017 cbr300r parts bike, and I'm going to attempt to get this one started. Apparently it does run and ride. I got some starting fluid here. I took the battery out and I put the battery on the charger because I know the charger, the battery was not working. I did try to jump it and the lights came on, but it did not want to turn on. I tried spraying a little starting fluid in there. It did not work. So I'm going to check the spark plug. I'm going to check the oil. I'm going to check everything on here to make sure everything is where it's supposed to be at. And then I'm going to go from there. So stay tuned for that and I'll be right back with you. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I figured out what was wrong with the bike. So there is a fuse here, which is the main fuse for the starter solenoid. So that fuse was blown. I went ahead and swapped that fuse. I just took the battery off the charger. I put the tank back on, which I do need to put some gas in it. I hooked the tank up. So I'm going to go ahead and hook the battery up right now. And I'm going to try to see if this bike will turn on. So I'm going to go ahead and hook the battery up real quick and then I'll get right back to you guys. Okay guys, so I did get it running. It is on. It has 4,600 miles on it. Pretty good. Not bad for what it is. So I did have to play with these terminals. The battery I think is bad. I did have to throw the jump box on there and hit it with a little touch of starting fluid to get it to crank over, because it's been so long since it actually cranked. But now that it's on, I don't think there should be a problem. I did throw a little gas in here. I do have to get a new gas top because the other one is broken. So I definitely need to let it run and get everything situated on this thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off so I can clean it up and get it all dialed in, and then I'll catch you guys in the next one when I get new fairings and a new complete look on this bike. Also, for this bike, I am also going to be getting a new exhaust system all the way up. I'm going to remove all of this stuff on here, new grips, new levers, new fairings, new rims, new tires. And I'm going to be giving this bike to my girlfriend so she can learn how to ride a bike. And there it went. But that is okay. The battery did die again. See if we can't get it to start on camera. And it started right up again. So I'm going to be changing the tank. I'm going to be changing the fairings. I'm going to be changing everything on this bike. I'm going to be cleaning it. So stay tuned to see the transformation of this bike. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one.